Sir, good morning. To our teachers, good morning. To the parents, and to all our guests, and of course, to the graduates, good morning. I would like to thank Regional Science High School for inviting me today because I would like to share my stories and experiences from my humble beginnings to where I am today. From all the successes, you may call it, from what I've accomplished. Hopefully, this will inspire you to achieve what you want. If there is one thing I want you to get from my speech is to realize how important education is in a personal life, your family, and your country. I just have three key messages. I was once like you. Once like you. Very young, very passionate, and very vulnerable. But I think one thing that separates me from my high school batchmates, or one advantage that I had, was I knew what I wanted. From the start, I knew I wanted to be a certified public accountant. I imagined myself in my own office, in my own chair, wearing my coat and tie. That's what I imagined before. So my first key message to you, graduates, is examine yourself. Examine yourself and know what you want. You can start by checking what you love. You love English, you love math, you love biology, physics, chemistry. You can start from that because those are the signs that will help you decide. Once you figure it out, fight for it. In my case, my mom did not allow me to go to UP because she was scared. It's a cruel world. Bata pa daw ko, delikado, basta madisgrasya, etc. Pero I was that determined and I knew what I wanted. My mom saw and felt it. That's why she agreed, even if it was very hard for her. I saw her cry every day as if naman siyang anak. I saw her cry. It was very hard for her. But I thank her because I had her back. I acknowledge the fact that it is a very dangerous world, that I must survive, and it is part of life. There is no safe world, kumbaga. As long as you pray and trust God, nothing is impossible. So my message to the parents is respect your children's decision. If they know what they want. That is if you know what you want. But on the other side, don't ignore your parents. Don't ignore your parents. There is nothing wrong in trying to follow what the parents want to do if you're not yet decided. Always remember that your parents would always want the best for you. So learn how to listen and leverage from their experiences. But again, at the end of the day, you are the captain of your own ship and you have no other people to blame if things fail. Remember, success is not measured by how much you earn, guys. It's being measured if you're happy. If you create value to other people, then that is success. My second message is, if given the chance to study in college, if your parents have the resources, maximize and seize that opportunity. In my case, I'd like to thank my parents for sending me to UP, together with the help of my titas, who helped me all throughout my college years, that's why I finished in UP. So mga graduates, if you have the resources, don't waste it. Resources are limited and we don't know until when muna. Take your education seriously. Finish on time because sayang ang resources. How to do it? Very easy. Never fail a subject and you will graduate on time. Every extended semester is a miss in career opportunity and is a miss in salary. On the other side, enjoy your college by maximizing the experience. In college, there are no rules, there are no teachers. If you don't want to go to class, so be it. Kung gusto mag-cut, di ka gusto mo sunod sa class, okay lang. You take control, you navigate your own ship. So, my advice to you is, maximize your experience in college by joining organizations. This can be because of your course. If you are a CPA, you have your own org for accounting students. Or it could be because of interest, music, sport, etc. Arts. Because by joining these organizations, you will gain experience you can share on your job application. Companies are not just looking at your grades, but more importantly, they're looking for someone who has that leadership potential. Someone they see a potential to be the next president of the company. Also, in behalf of your parents, request lang, ayaw pagdali sa love life. It can definitely wait and it will be worth the wait. So to my sister, Reza,
Oh my goodness!
my sister Reza, after college packet, always remember this. Always remember this. That the best gift that you can give to your parents is your diploma, not an apo. Of course, they would want that, but not in the near future. But if ever you fail or commit mistakes in the future, learn how to step up. Acknowledge the fact that you've committed mistakes and learn how to step up from where you fell. Lastly, learn how to pay back to the people who have helped you and to your country. Being a graduate of Science High School, it entails responsibility because your education is subsidized. Once you're successful in the future, consider serving your country and don't migrate. If you are a family scholar, learn how to pay forward. If there is a golden rule, which is do not do unto others, they don't want others to do unto you, there is also a platinum rule. Do unto others what you want others will do unto you. My personal story, as a scholar ng bayan, that's what we call we UP students, I have an obligation to help the country. Philippines is a very wonderful country. I could give you 1,001 reasons for you to stay, because I realized that months ago. I got an offer to work in Canada. During that time, I wanted to migrate because I was frustrated with the traffic system in Manila, with the politics in the Philippines, all the nuances, all the inefficiencies. But there was a point that I realized that at the end of the day, what matters most is your family. And then there's no place like home in the Philippines. The family ties in the Philippines is the best. So I decided not to accept the offer. So in summary, I do hope that I was able to, in a way, inspire you to succeed. My principle in life is very simple, which you can apply. Kung kaya sa uban, kaya po na ako. We are created by God equally. It just depends on how we use and maximize our potentials. Again, remember, first, know what you want and fight for it. Always give your best shot so that there are no what-ifs and regrets. Second, seize and maximize opportunity and experiences. Lastly, learn how to pay back to your family and country. The world is too huge for you to explore. There is enough space for all of us to explore. We just have to find our own share and enjoy. Again, congratulations to the parents, to the graduates, and have a great day.